So another client just manifested her SP back. Best thing about it wasn't just that she manifested him back. It's that he told her, you are radiating differently. Which is exactly what happens when we raise our self-worth and tap into our queen, magnetic, irresistible energy. It's not just that the SP comes back, as it happened to my client. It's that you are asked out on dates. You are irresistible. You are chosen. You are wanted. Opportunities show up. Friends start to tell you what's going on with you. And you start getting confirmation, not validation, that you are his top priority. Very different. Confirmation than validation. Let me know in the comments if you understand what the difference of that is, which I will be diving deeper into this Friday in the last live training of the year. There are very few spots left. If you want in, grab one real quick. The link's in my bio. Babe, you get to have what you want, whether it be your SP, a new SP, an up-level version of your SP, which is exactly what my client manifested, a higher amount of money, anything that you want, you get to have. And if you don't know that, it's because you don't understand the power that runs through your veins. You can learn to shift this.